The only frickin' mud hole in the whole place. Alright, so today we are off to Whitby once again. We're doing the product review because I'm an idiot. And we're off. Yeah, so we're off to Oak Harbor. Gonna make a bit of a delivery pit stop. Take my child some gummies. Actually, fiber probiotic gummies. So here we are out in the beautiful Pacific Northwest on yet another day. Glorious day. Corona. Yeah, we're gonna take I-5 up today because it's warm. I want the wind in my face. Oh yes. Oh, it feels so good. Oh god, yeah. The cool air rushing through my pits. Oh, all the fireworks stands. There's one thing Corona can't kill. It's freedom. Fireworks. America. Oh, Jake. Hi, Jake. Everybody, this is Jake. Hi, Jake. Amelia. She's not back there. Here. See you later. Love you. And we're off again. Motorcycle. Oh, yeah. To me. What is this beautiful piece of artwork? Look at this thing. Dope. I smell that hay truck way up there. Like, there it is. Hey! What is that, YouTube? Huh? What is that? Alfalfa? Hay? Straw? Some other type of delicious grain if I were a horse? Look at this guy. What a badass. I like your bike, bro. It looks like a hardcore biker gang man. It just looks so gangly. Ow. Fuck this. Get me in the throat. God damn it. That was less than pleasant. Smash. Good. Stupid Prius. Ooh. Smells like burnt toast. Popo? I think so. Oh, he waved! Got a CRF 250L. I don't think I mentioned that in the last video. But yeah, BDR. I want to do it. If you're watching this and you don't know what the BDR is, go check it out. Just Google WA BDR. Motorcycle. What up, dude? That's a badass bike. That's a nice chopper. Nokia. Get it? Also, world, that is the Shrimp Shack. And it is the most delightfulest oyster burger. I know you're probably like, oh, oysters on a burger. No, they're deep fried and they're delicious. And it's so good. But yeah, the Shrimp Shack, man, check it out. It's delicious. Alright, so we're now coming up on Deception Pass Bridge. Look at that. Look at that view. Beautiful, huh? Pass in the back. I wanted to know, is there a campsite that I could like utilize for like an hour and a half to set up? I'm doing a product review of a little camping stove. And I just need like, okay, well that's reasonable. Maybe like one that you typically wouldn't assign as like a last resort.
So we have one, site 156.
Okay.
We usually keep closed, but it's because it's like usually kind of underwater.
Dope.
Go check it out. It's closed right now, so it should stay closed.
Perfect.
Hopefully it's not too muddy.
156. All right, well. It's not terrible. All right, guys. So I need to show you real quick what just freaking happened. I'm like, oh, let me put the bike right back here so that then I can, you know, do my review of the bike behind me. I back the bike up. I managed to find the only frickin' mud hole in the whole place. this bike is stuck. Kickstand is up. So, not quite sure how I'm going to get it out. So, for your entertainment, I now will try and get this bike out. Maple X2 camping stove system. We're going to be making some pasta. Yeah, Fire Maple 2. I can't recommend this thing enough. For $60, this thing is an awesome deal. Cheers with pasta. Well, once again, product review's done. I have to go pee and try to not eat shit on this bike with a mud-covered tire on the way out. What an experience that was. Good Lord. Damn it. We're literally doing 8 miles an hour. What are you doing? Yes, great idea. Thank you. Now I have to stop by work and do work things real quick. Pow! Who's this, National Get Gas Day? I think I'm gonna do it, man. It's summertime. There's no one here. This is one of those moments where it's like, haha, I'm a teacher. You can't tell me no. I make the rules. Do not enter. I think I will. I think I'll enter wrongfully. And then, you know what I'm going to do next? I'll tell you what I'm going to do next. Wait, why? God damn it. I love a good spreadsheet. Oh, spreadsheets. Alright, well, see you later. Be cool, bro. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. That is the most delightful thing that I've seen in quite a while. Wowie, wow, wow. Oh look, they're having a cow party. They're not social distancing. Hello, dear. Hello. Hey, dope bikes. Nice. Yeah, you want rice? I'll rice ya. Not today. This is Coopville. Good? Good? Good. I'm still so hungry. I'm so hungry, bro. I'm hungry. I want a burger and a beer. Thick chips. Properly layered ingredients. Some chips, some ingredients. Some chips, some ingredients. Some chips, some ingredients. All the way from the bottom to the top. That's how you make dope nachos. Maybe I'll go to the store and buy nacho stuff. That sounds like a great idea. Maybe I'll make nachos. Oh, nachos, I love you and I want to make you with a just ass ton of cheese. Guys, when I say a lot of cheese, I mean, that's what makes good nacho. Cheese, meat, beans, onions. Sweet onions are a great nacho addition. Nachos, man, I love nachos. Nachos are like a favorite food. Red Star Taco in Seattle best nachos to date. My favorite nachos. I like your Honda. Oh, I can see my front tire. That's fun. Can you guys see my front tire? 'Cause I can. Motorcycles. I don't care. Hi. I'm hungry. Oh, I'm so excited about making nachos. All I can think of is nachos in my belly. SRS. Dope. Meeting cool motorcycle dudes. I also ran into a guy who also has an Africa Twin, although he was not riding it at the moment. Oh god, I'm so excited about nachos, guys. I just want nachos. Ding my dong.